Sorry about that, everybody. This is Joe with the National Weather Service in El Paso. We're here to talk about our winter storm for Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll take your questions at the end here. All right, and here's some of your expected weather events. Precipitation is expected to develop Wednesday. It's increasing in intensity through the overnight hours. Snow will start out at some of the higher elevations around 6,000 feet and above on Wednesday. Then fall as a cold front moves in from the east. And sort of as a result, I'm expecting a changeover from rain to snow across portions of the lowlands and the Rio Grande Valley and points east, sometime during the pre-dawn hours Thursday morning. As a result, and that's not only going to be a potentially snowy morning commute, but also icy as well, as any sort of the rain residing on the roadways will turn icy with that cold air moving in. As a result, the Sacramento Mountains will have some heavy snow likely. The Rio Grande Valley and east will have some light to moderate snow. Another hazard will be the bitterly cold temperatures Thursday through Saturday. Temperatures will likely be at or below freezing for a large portion of this period. So some uncertainties here. Snowfall amounts and timing as is kind of typical around this area. There's some moderate confidence. The colder gets in here faster, especially the Rio Grande Valley. We'll see a little bit more snow. It's a little bit slower, or if the moisture is not quite there as the cold air moves in, we'll see some less snow. As far as temperatures are concerned, some pretty high confidence that we're going to see some very cold, not only air temperatures, but wind chill temperatures as well. Here are some timings of sort of the events here. So again, on Wednesday, light rain showers and snow showers above 6,000 feet. Wednesday night, precipitation will increase in coverage and intensity. Some heavy snow for the Sacramento Mountains. The cold air will move in from the east. And as a result, we'll get that changeover from rain to snow. And again, some icy roadways will be possible. Thursday morning, you have areas of some light to moderate snow continuing. And during the afternoon hours on Thursday, it'll be cold with just some lingering snow showers. On Friday, we'll have a few lingering snow showers as well, especially across the Gila. And that cloud cover can keep those high temperatures very cold on Friday as well, largely in the 30s. And then again, Thursday night through Saturday will be just very cold and even colder wind chills. And so here are our latest headlines here. So we have winter storm watches for the Sacramento Mountains, the Otero Mesa, and portions of far west Texas. And for the Sacramento Mountains, the watch begins at 5 p.m. Wednesday and goes to 11 a.m. Thursday. Farther south, it begins 3 hours later at 8 p.m. on, that should say Wednesday instead of Friday there. Some expected future headlines. We do expect these watches to be upgraded to warnings and advisories. The most likely scenario right now is warnings for the mountains. And then winter weather advisories are possible along the Rio Grande Valley as well. And here are some of your snow totals as a result. So a general 1 to 3 inches across the Rio Grande Valley, including El Paso and Las Cruces. A little bit more farther to the east in Hudson County, the Otero Mesa, and then general 6 to 12 inches across the Sacramento Mountains, more or less. And much less amounts kind of west of the Rio Grande Valley across the lowlands from Deming to Lordsburg. Some of the colder temperatures here will be Friday morning with the low temperatures in the teens and single digits in most areas, and wind chill values even colder, single digits across the lowlands and below 0 across area mountains. And it's a summary of the impacts here and what to sort of expect. So again, a heavy snowfall for the Sacramento Mountains that will obviously lead to some slick conditions and hazardous driving conditions. Similarly, down towards the Rio Grande Valley and points east, not only snowpack, but also potentially icy roadways as well, right before the cold air gets in here. So that again will lead to slippery conditions and hazardous driving. And then with the cold temperatures as well, Thursday through Saturday, and there's the potential for some pipe damage, some power outages, and of course, people, pets, and pipes, the potential for some damage as well and health issues with that. So those are some of our main impacts there. At this point, I'm going to stop the presentation or ask if you guys have any questions.